So while filming itong kumpare natin, may chinika sa akin. May bago daw website. Ang lowest offer is like $7 and he just landed a client today. So he is sharing this, paring alam mo. Sabay-sabay nating sabihin, maraming salamat po sa ambag, paring Gwen. But without further ado, here's the website. So, open ka muna dyan. Pokemon. Huwag nyo napansin. Hindi ko i-edit yun. Para alam nyo ganap pag nag-feel ako. So this is vpmsolutions.com. Pagpasok ko dito sa website, I clicked on accept. Right up front, para siyang another marketplace for freelancers. So basically what you do is, for client side to ha, they post, they select, they pay. One thing that I noticed, bago pa lang siya, but this is actually for virtual property managers. So kung may experience kayo sa Reva or virtual property management, then this site is for you. Ito yung mga services na pwede nating i-offer as a freelancer. So maintenance, ISA, SMM, admin, bookkeeping, customer support, and listing administrator. Let's click on create your free profile. Per usual, it will ask you if you're a freelancer, if you own your company, or if you have a company invitation code. Let's click on I'm a freelancer independent contractor. Then you have to fill out yung information mo here. Syempre, ina-unclick ko na yung periodic updates, but shoot, ang ina, nag-brown out! Buisit! Ayan, may kuryente na ulit, buisit. Nakakaloka tong Meralco kung kailan naman ako nag-film. Okay, anyway, going back, i-click nyo lang sign up. Siyempre, kikwento ko na lang ulit sa inyo yung mga bagay na hindi ko pwedeng ipakita sa screen. But, after signing up, it will then send an email with a code na kailangan mong kunin sa email mo. So, let me open my email. And then, click on verify email. Email has been verified. Now, the next question is, at gustong-gusto ko to, dito tayo nagsisimula. Desired hourly rate. Siyempre, eksanadora tayo ng bayan. Gawin natin 1,000 pesos per hour. Bakit? Deserve ko yun. Feeling ko yun yung worth ko. Wait, then next, go to dashboard. Ay, in fairness, ang bilis lang. Pagdating ko sa dashboard, okay. So, may onboarding siya. Ang ganda. So, it looks like this. I think what I just need to do is click here. Edit profile. So, may mga action required. Social media, resume. Gawin ko muna to isa-isa. So, to change your profile, all you have to do is click yung nandun sa taas and then dito sa baba, i-click nyo lang setting. So, para lang siyang Facebook upload lang, may pa-banner pa si Mayor, ganyan. Guys, hindi ko na i-kwento kung ano yung mga pinagagawa ko kasi you also have to learn how to navigate on your own. Kailangan matuto rin kayo mag-research kung paano nga ba magandang atake. Kasi hindi lahat ini-spoon feed dito, but eto na. Okay, wait guys. Kung gusto nyong i-part 2 ko to, let me know. For now, ayusin ko muna yung profile ko and then later on, I'd probably show you how ako mag-a-apply. Also, one last chika from paring Gwen. Marami rin daw dito mga courses that you can get certificates. So, itatry ko lahat yun para sa inyo. I-comment nyo rin kung ano yung mga gusto nyong i-explore ko pa dito sa website na to. Or, kung ako sa inyo, itry nyo na lang on your own para makita nyo rin kung ano yung nakikita ko dahil sabay-sabay natin pag-aaralan to. Sabay-sabay tayong yayaman. Mami! Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye! Ayan, nabuksan na ni Bestie. O, paano pagbabaraha? Pagbabalasa. Ay, tama. Isa pa.
Nagdaro na mga ulol.
I love this.
Hop!
So, hindi ko na naman natapos tong video na to. But anyway, I will post the link of the website dun sa Facebook page ko. So, punta na lang kayo sa facebook.com/bloggymary. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!